Let's share jet.
Pick mine too, okay?
No.
Yeah, it's ready now. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, it's tissue. I almost ate tissue. Hold on.
So today we're in Iron Mall and we are in search of Emily's birthday present, which is in 4 days.
Okay. Why do you need to record me?
Yeah, why not? Bro, why is this so short?
Because you're short.
There's so many toys in here, but we haven't found the right one yet for Emily. On to the next store.
Give her this.
No.
Champagne, man.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is angry, right?
You're so bad at pushing it.
This is happy. They're kind of cute. So we're at the green and I'm going to teach Kayla how to drive for the first time. You ready?
Honestly.
What?
Honestly.
You can sleep after this. Alright, so basically this is how you drive. This is called the steering wheel. This is the wipers. This is the turn signals. If you want to turn left, you go up, and then I want to turn right, go down. This is how you turn on the car, right? So this car uses a start and stop button, not a key. Like old cars, you use a key, you put it in, and then you like turn the key. But since this is a new car, I mean not that new, but kinda. All you have to do is make sure the key is inside the car. Where's the key? Is it right here? Make sure this is inside the car, right? So you can detect. You step on the brake, and this one turns on, right? You click it. So time to swap places. We're at the green. This is where we used to live, if you didn't know. Ow!
Did you just hit your head?
Yeah, I hit my head and my feet and everything.
I think I'm still too short for this.
Alright, so this is how you measure it. Sit down, right? Put your put your hand on the steering wheel. Make it go
This?
full, go full, go full.
Like this?
Okay, that's how much you need to move front. First, over here, pull,
Yeah.
move forward.
Wait, is it moving?
Pull it, pull it.
I am pulling it.
Pull. Keep going.
Enough. What?
Ah, enough?
Yeah.
And then on your right,
This
adjust
is
the,
the-
yeah.
There's the brake, right?
Yep, the middle one is the brake, step on it.
Yeah.
You see it turns green, right? Press engine start. Okay, let go. Oh, we need to fill gas. This one's emergency light. Seatbelt on. Just pull it here. Click it on. Always wear a seatbelt. Coke brake.
Parking, reverse, neutral, driving.
Step on the brake. This one. Move it to D. D. Down. No, that's too much. This is D.
Okay.
Release the brake slowly. You don't have to press the gas first. Just release the brake. Yep.
Yo, wait, tell me, why don't you tell me it moves?
It's moving, yeah, that's why. Just make sure you don't hit the curb. Okay. And then you can start to gas on the right. Yeah. Just subtly. Yeah, like that, like that.
Yo, I'm so
Keep going.
uncomfy right
It's
now.
okay.
Yo, I'm scared now.
It's okay, it's okay. Just keep going.
Am I going too fast?
No. Okay, how about let's take a break over here. Step on the brake slowly. Let go of the gas slowly. And then get to the side of the road. Okay, done. And then start to press the brake slowly, okay? Yeah, and then until you come to a complete stop. Okay. That was kinda okay. And then while you're holding the brake, put it at P. Yeah. Okay, let go of the brake now. Now it's in the stop, alright? I forgot to tell you one more thing.
What?
Your rear view mirror. This one.
Oh, that thing is too high for me.
Okay, be right back, guys. I'm gonna teach Kayla more, like, so I can concentrate on her more, and then I'll come back to you guys. Hold on. Start to brake. Turn. Yep. Brake. Full turn. Be generous. There's people there, so you gotta, yep. Turning back. Now this is what I mean. This part you're on the opposite lane, right?
Yeah.
Tapi emang tadi ada orang sih susah.